Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Alright, I'm back, guys, on behalf of Instant Cash Solution. I want to show you kind of just want to talk to you for a minute and show you some things. But before we get started, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload videos, okay? So what I want to do real quick, because people, I think, get overwhelmed when they first get started, okay? So I want to kind of just cut through the chase real quick. We talk about this over the phone, but let me tell you real quick what you should do when you first get started. You paid your money, you're signed up, now what? Okay, let's talk about that real quick. All right, I got a little note pad here. Let me pull it up. All right, so I got some little notes here so that I don't forget anything. Make sure I stay on track. Okay, so you've paid. Now what do I do? Okay, steps to get started. The first thing you want to do is log in your back office. We're going to go back there real quick. Log in your back office, click the quick start guide, okay, and set up your profile and your payment options, okay, which is the register. Let's get started. You just paid. We're open for business, right? So let's be open for business. Set up the profile. Then we're going to select a primary capture page you're going to use to promote. Start promoting as soon as possible, either sending solo ads, posting ads, some form of advertising, okay? The momentum is high. You're ready to start rolling, okay? The second thing is I want to say, don't go in the back office, guys, and spend days and days on end after you join trying to read everything and learning everything, okay? You're never going to learn everything, okay? But what we do know is once we open shop, we need to start promoting. Then you can go in your back office and fiddle around back there, okay? But we want to get this business up and running as soon as possible, okay? So let's do that. Let's go over there. Okay, so we're in the back office, right? So right here it says Quick Start Action Plan. That's the first thing you want to do, which is what I mentioned in my memo just now, okay? Quick Start Action Plan. That's where we want to go. Okay, when you click that, guys, it tells you what you should do. Create your profile, complete your profile with your name and address and everything, and your process, or how do you want to get paid. Fill out that information. Set up your sales funnel, okay, which is what I just said. Which one of these capture pages you want to use, make it your primary, and let's go, okay? Then it also, and I'm going to go down a little bit further, right here, it tells you download your ICS training manual, okay? So you can click there and download that as well. But what I'm saying is to get started today. When you join the business, plan on starting promoting it. That's why you join, okay? So what we want to do is I'm going to go to the profile. I'm going to have to cover some of that stuff up because it's private information, but let me show you where you're going to go. So you click profile and you'll see these options. I've covered mine up here for Stripe, but I'm going to go down further and show you there's a box that you can also indicate some other options in, okay? Okay, so once you go through there and you'll see the other options that they offer, that you can fill in the blanks on. I would stay away from PayPal, okay? But down here you can list additional payment options. Like at the top I have Stripe. Down here I'm giving other options such as Cash App. I give you my Cash App. And then I give you Zelle, okay? And my information for Zelle, and I even put a note, call me with questions, in my phone number, and you click Save, okay? So that's ready to go. I'm ready to start receiving payments. Okay, now we go to capture pages, right? We're ready to roll. Let's pick a page that we like, okay? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 capture pages back here. So you pick one. Let's say you want this one, okay? And you just click right here where it says Make Primary Page. Whichever page you're going to use, make it your primary. Now, let me show you something else. You want to track. Okay, this is how you use the tracking mechanism in the back office here. So let's say we want this page, right? The beach page. Okay, let me show you how to use your tracking system back here. Let's go back to capture pages. I'm sorry, not capture pages, your members area. So in your members area right here, guys, you see this? It says tracking. We're going to click that. Okay, right here to your right, it says set up tracking. So let's say we're going to call it, I'm going to pick somebody. I'm just going to say Jane is going to be my solo provider. So let's say I say Jane Solo, whatever you want to name it. Okay, so I'm going to say Jane, and I'm going to set up tracking. I'm going to click that. Now, it says assign which page you want to be linked to that. So say we're going to do the beach. So I'm going to click assign to tracking. Okay, then it gives me this link. This is what I'm going to give to the solo ad provider. Copy that, but hit save right here. Okay. So I'm going to click that. But you copy this because this is what you're going to give your solo provider. Okay, so that's saved. Now, let's go back and let me show you something. Okay, now, Instant Cash Solution has added a provider back here. Okay, so that's the other thing I want to tell you guys. They've added a provider to get you some traffic. Okay, I have some other sources as well, but we're going to show you what you would do. All right, hang on one second here. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to go to Udemy, right? And I clicked on this guy. I don't know who he is. I'm just giving you an example. Let's say I pick this person, okay? As soon as you go there, okay, it asks you how many clicks you want to buy, okay? So I'm just putting that there. I just want to show you. So what you're going to do is you're just going to, see, I like to tell them right here what I'm promoting, but the link we copied, you just paste it. Boom, right there. That's what you're going to give the provider. So now, if you look there, it tells you it's a it has a little tracking mechanism in there, and it has the name that you named it, Jane Solo Ads. So then I can go back to my Instant Cash Solution and track, okay, how well this solo ad went with this person. Because maybe it didn't go as good, and maybe I'm going to pick another person. Now I have something to measure it with, okay? So that would be the tracking link you would give to your solo provider, okay? And you go back to tracking, okay, to that particular link you created, and you can go right here and see the stats. Like you click right here, this little circle. Of course, we don't have any because I didn't do anything with it. I just wanted to show you how you create it. Then it will bring up stats. It'll show you how many opt-ins you have, and all that will show up right there. Okay, so that's how you track, guys. But that's what I would do, and that's what I do as soon as I start an online business. I immediately go in, set up my profile, open up for business, and I'm ready to start sending traffic. Okay? Okay? So now, what you want to do if you're not in the business is go ahead and get started. They have several levels, $100 level, $200 level, $300 level, and $500 level. That's what I like about Instant Cash Solution. It has the lower level, which is $129 to get started, all the way up to high ticket, guys. So you can actually come into Instant Cash Solution at the $500 level. It'll cost you $579 to get started, and you can make high ticket commissions with this. And guess what? There's no pass up. If you come at the 500, with this program, it's no pass up. The way it works is, let's say you come in at the lower level. Okay, so you came in at the $100 level, and someone comes in at the $200 level. You will lose the $200 sale. It will pass up, but the company is so generous that they would move you up to that level. Okay, so that's a great thing. Okay, but there's actually no official, one-ups or anything like that. But I highly recommend you do the 500, guys. If you can do that, $579, you up and running, and now you can get paid on all levels, the 100, 200, 300, and 500. Okay, you have all the ad copy, you have all the training you need back here. Okay, one other thing I want to tell you real quick though. Another way to promote Instant Cash Solution. Let me show you that too. Webinar strategy. You all know that most of us, and a lot of us get on these webinars, right? A lot of times there's a live person actually on there just going through some slides and talking about the opportunity, right? What I like about Instant Cash Solution, guess what? They will create one for you. I have my own. I'm going to show it to you. There's a one-time fee for that, but guess what? This is going to be awesome for you because you can place ads, guys, and you can direct people to your webinar that will do all the selling and telling for you. So let me show you something real quick. Strategy, I'm back. What you want to do, guys, is you run your ad, right? Right now, the owner is doing weekly webinars, okay? Every week he has a webinar, and you can invite people over there. You run your ads, you can do that. But since I have my own, okay, it's a great way to just send people to these webinars that's already recorded, okay? But like I said, a lot of us get on these webinars with different opportunities. Now you can get your own for this particular program. It's $295 one time, okay? And he will create you a webinar for you specifically. I have a domain just for my webinar. And when I run ads and someone comes back and reply and they say, hey, I want more information about this, or this sounds interesting, what is this all about? I send them to my webinar that's already pre-recorded, okay? Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, this is my own purchase by the company, which is awesome, so I don't have to pay anything. I spent $295, and what happens here has my information on it. And all they have to do is press play, and this webinar does all the selling and telling for me. It's earned with Pandora.com. If you go there, boom, you will get this particular page, okay? And so all I have to do is run an ad, and someone replies back. I give them this, and they listen to this webinar. It's 35 minutes, but it's very detailed on what this is all about, okay? So you can have it done as well. So that's another way to scale up your business. Another sales strategy, okay, with webinars. Run an ad, a tiny ad, and then send them to your webinar. And that's something you can add later. I just want to share that with you, okay? So Instacash Solution has webinars that you can purchase your own and promote this business. So again, we got high ticket for you too. So you got 100, 200, 300, or 500, guys. So pick one and get started, okay? No excuses. $129, $229, $329, or $579. Okay, that's what it's gonna take to get started. If you come in at that $500 level, I got a great bonus for you. The 3 or 5, I got a great bonus for you. Okay, so get in touch with me. I'm gonna put the link below for it, and you can get started today. Okay, with this system, you can be up and running in 5 minutes or less. Okay, so here's the levels again. I want to bring that page up. So decide where you want to come in and get started. This is a great way to get your sales copy. This way you have your ad copy in a full turnkey back office, so you can track your sales. You get paid member to member. You don't have to wait on the company to send you a check. Okay, one of these price points. Pick one and let's go. All right. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video, guys. And I look forward to working with you. Look forward to seeing you on the inside, okay, of Instacash Solutions. Okay. You guys have a blessed day.